Let me ask you a simple question. If you want to learn how to drive a car, would you jump straight into a brand new car and drive onto a busy road? The answer is probably not. You would first learn the basics, you would practice in a safe environment, you would make mistakes, and most importantly, you would learn without risking your life. So why do so many beginner traders skip this process? Why do they deposit real money after watching just a few YouTube videos, only to lose their account within days, if not hours or even minutes? The answer is very simple. Most people underestimate the importance of demo trading. Some traders even believe that demo account is a waste of time. They will say things like, demo trading is not real, you will never learn until you use real money. Yes, it is true that trading a demo account does not feel exactly like trading with real money. But ignoring demo account completely can be one of the biggest mistakes a beginner makes. So in today's video, I will explain why demo trading is important, what it can teach you, what it cannot teach you, and how to use it the right way so that you are fully prepared before risking real money. Now let's get started. So what is a demo account? A demo account is a practice trading account provided by your broker. If you are trading with a demo account, you are not trading with real money. You are trading with virtual money, which allows you to trade in real market. The prices are live, the charts are real, the market behaves exactly the same. The only difference is you are not risking your own money. Think of demo account as a flight simulator. Before pilots fly a real plane with hundreds of passengers, they spend hours practicing in a simulator. Why? Because it is safer to make mistakes in a simulator than in the air. Trading should be approached the same way. Demo trading helps you to learn the platforms you are using. Imagine placing your first live trade, then accidentally you buy instead of selling. That is crazy. Or placing a trade 10 times larger than you intended because you did not understand the concept of lot sizes. These mistakes happen more often than you think. A demo account helps you to learn how to open trades, close trades, set stop losses, set take profits, adjust lot sizes, use pending orders, and you are learning all without risking your savings. A demo account helps you to test your strategy. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is believing that a strategy works just after few winning trades. Imagine taking just one exam and you score 95%. Does that mean you will score 95% in every exam? Of course not. One test is not enough to measure your overall performance. A demo account allows you to collect that experience without paying for every mistake. And you know that in trading, any single mistake you make, you must pay with your money. So a demo account helps you to collect all the experiences without paying for every mistake. Trading demo account helps you to build confidence. Confidence doesn't come from watching videos, it comes from experience. The more charts you study, the more setups you identify, the more trades you execute, the more comfortable you become. By the time you switch to a live account, basic tasks like placing trades or setting stop losses should feel very natural for you. That confidence comes from practice. Demo trading helps you to develop discipline. This is something many people overlook. A demo account gives you the opportunity to practice following your trading plan. Did you wait for your setup? Did you respect your stop loss? Did you avoid overtrading? Did you stick to your risk management rules? These habits should be built before real money enters the picture, because once emotion become involved, changing bad habits becomes much harder. That is the real fact. Now let's talk about what demo trading cannot teach you. Now let's be honest. Demo trading is not perfect. It has major limitation, which is there is no emotional pressure. When it is not real money, losing is not painful. You don't feel fear, you don't feel greed, you don't panic. But once you start trading your own money, everything changes. You close trade too early, you move your stop loss, you revenge trade after losses. That is why demo trading teaches you the technical side of trading. But live trading teaches you emotional control, so you need both. So here is the biggest mistake most traders learning with demo account make. Many beginners treat demo account like a video game. They risk 20% or 50% or even their entire account on one trade. Why? Because it's not real money. But then they switch to a live account and continue the same bad habits. That's the wrong approach. If you want your demo experience to prepare you for a live trading, treat it exactly like a real account. If your future plan is to risk 1% of your account on each trade, then risk only 1% on your demo account. Build the habits you want to carry into live trading. So if you are trading a demo account, when should you move to live account? This is another common question. The answer is not based on time, it is based on consistency. Don't switch to a live account because you have been on demo account for 1 month. Switch because you have shown that you can consistently follow your trading plan. Before going live, ask yourself, can I follow my rules without breaking them? Do I have a tested strategy? Am I managing risk properly? Am I journaling my trades? If the answer is yes, then you may be ready to transition to a small live account. Start small when you go live. Here is another mistake many beginners traders make. After becoming profitable on demo, they immediately deposit large amount of money. Don't do that. Start small, very small. Your first goal is not making huge profits. Your first goal is learning how your emotions change when real money is involved. Think of it as another stage of education. Now, let me give you a real life example. Imagine 2 people learning how to swim. The first person spends weeks practicing in the shallow end, that is the side of the pool that is not deep. The person is learning how to float, he's learning the breathing techniques, building confidence, while the second person jumps straight into the deep end. Who is more likely to succeed? The answer is obvious. Trading follows the same principle. Preparation reduces unnecessary mistakes. So demo trading is not about making fake money. It is about building real skill. Every trade you take on demo account should teach you something. Every mistake should prepare you for live trading. Remember, a demo account will not make you profitable overnight, but keeping it entirely can make your learning journey much longer and much more expensive. So treat your demo account seriously, develop good habits while trading demo account, practice consistently, then transition to live trading with confidence. So if you are currently trading on a demo account, don't rush the process. Use this time to build a habit that will help you to succeed when real money is on the line. And if you're already trading live but you skip the demo trading stage, it is never late to go back and refine your strategy in a risk-free environment. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video.